Ikea has been releasing so many new products lately that it's honestly hard to keep track. And hidden among all the new launches are some seriously clever finds that most people walk right past. But no worries, because today we're hunting down 10 Ikea hidden gems, the clever little finds you probably didn't know existed. Some of them cost less than a coffee, so stay with me as we go through all of them. I'm On, these here are my two whippets, Mars and Zara, and we love all things Ikea DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! We're starting off with a hidden gem that's tiny in size but huge in function, and that is this little clock. Except it's also a timer. This one has a magnetic back so you can stick it on your fridge, range hood, or even a metal shelf while you're cooking. But honestly, I'd use it way beyond the kitchen. It's just perfect for timing workouts, study sessions, baking, basically anything where you need a clock or a timer close at hand. And for under $4, it's one of those surprisingly useful little gadgets that you'll probably end up using every single day. Now next up is this smartly designed pull-out mirror, and let me tell you, this might be just the coolest thing hiding inside Ikea's wardrobe department. This mirror actually sits flush inside your closet, but once you pull it out, you actually get a full-length mirror, which is just insanely smart, especially for small spaces. When you're done, it slides right back inside your closet and just completely disappears. And if you got a small bedroom, this is just genius. It gives custom closet vibes without the custom closet price tag, and I just love that. The next Ikea hidden gem is actually a product I just gasped when I saw, and that is this beautiful shower curtain. Now, can we talk about how good this shower curtain actually looks? Because I genuinely feel like this belongs in one of those dreamy designer homes you see in Architectural Digest. The reason it looks so good is actually the fabric. It doesn't look like a typical plastic shower curtain at all. It has the look and texture of a beautiful linen window curtain while giving you all the waterproof protection and quality of a shower curtain. I mean, just plain genius. People have been DIYing shower curtains like this, and now to be able to get it at Ikea is just a dream that instantly makes the entire bathroom feel more elevated. Now this next Ikea hidden gem I just gotta have ASAP, and that is this dish drainer. This one has such a clever design. It actually has a built-in handle that makes it easy to move around, whether you're carrying your clean dishes to the cupboard or taking it with you outdoors or in a shared kitchen at a campsite, which I'll be using it for. This one is one of those simple Ikea products that solves so many problems, and I love it so much. It's portable, it's compact, it looks really good, and comes at under $5. The next Ikea hidden gem I have for you is actually a drawer divider Ikea recently released, and that is the VARIERA adjustable drawer divider. Now, why are these such a gem? Well, unlike regular organizers where you are stuck with a set layout, these dividers will let you create sections exactly where you need them. Whether it's kitchen drawers, bathroom storage, or even a messy office drawer, it just instantly turns wasted space into a perfectly organized system, and I love it so much. Plus, this one's made out of bamboo and will add so much warmth to your drawers while keeping things organized. Another new organizer at Ikea you probably didn't know existed is also this flatware tray. This is the kind of small Ikea find that solves every common problem. This one is also adjustable, so you can actually adjust the width to fit your drawer perfectly. I mean, how amazing is that? It's easy to install, easy to change, and perfect if you like rearranging your storage as your needs change. It also works with all Ikea deep drawers and will fit almost all standard kitchen drawers. Okay, this next new Ikea gem literally surprised me, because who expect Ikea to release a cute little bento lunchbox. I mean, for under $3, this is just such a good find. It has compartments to keep different foods separated. It's great for lunches, meal prep, kids, travel, or honestly anyone who takes food outside home. This is such a cute little product, plus the handle moment makes it just so practical to carry with you anywhere you go. Now the next Ikea hidden gem is this cute little lamp that comes in this gorgeous bright orange color. And let me tell you, this might be one of my favorite hidden gems from Ikea's new releases. It really looks like something you'd find in a vintage store, not Ikea. The bold orange color, curved shape, and just simple design give it that fun retro designer feel, but it's only $24.99. Plus, it's not just pretty, it's actually functional with a dimmable light and an adjustable head so you can direct the light exactly where you need it. This one also comes as a lamp version too in white and green, and I love all of them. I bet they'll be out of stock once the internet finds out about them, so I'm getting mine in orange before it goes viral. Now the next Ikea hidden gem I have for you is actually this tiny suction shower accessory that solves a surprisingly common problem. For only $1.99, you actually get an extra shower holder that attaches with a suction cup, meaning no drilling, no tools, and no permanent changes to your bathroom. It's just perfect for renters, families with kids, or anyone who wants to adjust the height and position of their shower head without a complicated installation. I'm getting this one for Leto, and it's honestly the best find for under $2. And the last Ikea hidden gem is actually one from the Parkla collection, and that is this Parkla laundry bag. I already love Ikea's previous versions of these storage bags because they are one of those simple products you just end up using everywhere, but this new one is even better because it's bigger and gives you so much more storage space. Of course, you can use it for laundry, but it's also perfect for storing seasonal clothes, extra bedding, toys, or anything else that needs a dedicated place. And when you're not using it, it falls completely flat, which makes it such an easy storage solution. And that's a wrap on today's hidden gems. Now let me know which one was your favorite and which one you plan on getting. I mean, honestly, who could keep up with Ikea's new releases? They released so much and I'm still trying to dig in even deeper and just cover everything for you. So next week we'll have another interesting video. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell, allowing all notifications to just never miss another video again. I post Ikea content every single Thursday, so you'd like to stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Now these two have been my little gems. So let's head on to Mars and Zara. So here's Marcy boy, just all curled up like a bagel. And Zara in that same bagel position. Oh Zara, you're just so cute, you're just super cute, you know that? And Mars has been the best big brother and father to Zara. I mean, this is what my living room looks like now, guys. Who else can relate to this? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you would like to see these two in a live session maybe. We haven't done that in a while, so let me know. Bye guys, see you next week.